Hello everyone, Arun here. This series of videos called Simply NoSQL will cover the basic hands-on with a few of the commonly used NoSQL databases. So NoSQL or not only SQL, which was initially coined as term for database management systems, which are not using SQL, but currently they are more or less used to point to not only SQL. That is, some of these databases have some features of SQL as well, which is a relational database management system. So these type of things basically used for storage and retrieval mechanism other than the typical row column structure, which is used to by a relational database management system like SQL based systems. So basically we will be seeing like there are different types of NoSQL databases. So main types are wide column or column family, document, key value and graph. So we will be seeing one or two of each, and which ones we are seeing will depend on maybe the uh, softwares which are ranking on the top list in the DB engines ranking, which I have covered in other video. So white column we will be seeing Cassandra and HBase, which are the top two in white column or column family databases. Document we will be covering MongoDB, which is the first. Key value we will be covering Redis, which is again the first in that category. And graph databases we will be covering Neo4j. So basically these five are the top one or two in the corresponding sections in the used all over the world. So we will be like having one video where I will be telling the steps for installation of this corresponding software. The second video, like getting started video, we will just run some queries without going through why it is, what it is and all. We will just try to get familiar with the how to run the query, that kind of thing. And in additional videos, we will see basically CRUD operations, that is create, read, update, delete, which is like the basic operations which need to be supported by any DBMS. And if any advanced concepts that might be of interest to us, I will be covering that in additional videos. So basically, we will be having like minimum 3 videos per each of the software. So if interested, you can skip the installation part and directly go to that getting started to get familiar with what is the type of way in which it is implemented. But if you are interested in trying out a little hands-on, you can always install it and try it. So basically there are multiple ways to run each of these softwares. One, you can run it over the web. You can run it without installing in your PC in using a cloud server or something. So the approach we'll be following is like we will be doing local installation for all these, so that people doing interested in doing projects with this also can use that to install that and do projects later. So basically treat this like how you are like introducing to you how the different ways are in which I can store the data. So finally in data science we are dealing with data only. So we can like starting itself get familiar with how I will like get the data and I will store the data and retrieve the data, so that in the further when we go to statistics, probability, Python and all, like we need not worry that, and we will like try to draw inferences from whatever software technologies that we see in this session. So that's all. I'm signing off. Thank you all.